sige.
Hindi kaya. Hindi yata. This patikit. Oh. Tawagan.
Sige, pasok meron mo. Wala pa yung
Nandito po tayo sa City of Manila. Coordination po with Yorme and Vice Mayor para po magsagawa ng regular cleaning activities po natin. Alam naman po natin last week naging mabigat yung pagbaha po dito. Nagkasabay po yung malakas na pagulan at yung high tide kaya nahihirapan po mailabas natin. Plus the fact na medyo barado na po yung ating mga daluyan ng tubig. Kaya po kami rin po sa mga kahapon at nagpansan po kami ng simultaneous cleaning.
Dito na.
Tama ba? Mary, dito tayo.
Ayos na konti.
Mary. Okay.
Engineer.
Okay.
Si Mike.
Okay.
Chairman.
Chang. Okay. Will. Hey, sorry.
Sige, sige.
Hindi kaya. Hindi yata. This patikit. Oh. Tawagan.
Sige, pasok meron mo. Wala pa yung
Nandito po tayo sa City of Manila. Coordination po with Yorme and Vice Mayor para po magsagawa ng regular cleaning activities po natin. Alam naman po natin last week naging mabigat yung pagbaha po dito. Nagkasabay po yung malakas na pagulan at yung high tide kaya nahihirapan po mailabas natin. Plus the fact na medyo barado na po yung ating mga daluyan ng tubig. Kaya po kami rin po sa mga kahapon materials floating everywhere will end up in the city of Manila. Then, ang
Hindi ako makalasap sa jeep eh.
tubig. So, marami yung tubig sa labas. So, yung tubig niya marami yun. Pupunta rin sa atin.
Padikit,
At for today, we're just very grateful.
Huwag mo itaas, tatamaan sila dyan.
And to the team na tinutulungan kami
Padikit ako.
sa aming daily activities na decluttering, clearing of any form of solid materials under our roads, yung mga drainage natin, whether culvert or pipes and so on and so forth. Malaking bagay ito sa mga taga-Maynila. At hindi ito magiging solusyon sa masasabi natin wala nang baha next week.
Pababa mo ng konti po ni ate.
But it will ease, cushion the level of water, that's one. Second, yung daloy na tubig in a good time after the rainy days, ay madaling maipapump out sa labas ng Manila through our Manila Bay. But hindi doon uminto. No? Isa sa malaking gagawin ng MMDA namin. Kahapon, Chairman and I went to UST through the effort of MMDA, engaging private properties or areas to participate in development of our drainage or flooding problems in Metro Manila. Hopefully, maging successful yun, mga initial meetings. Although in the past, they have attempted already, but Chairman and your city government is in sync with regard to this type of plan. Now, with regard naman to our public places, Chairman na gusto niyang gawin yung isang aming property doon sa may Remedios, yung Raha Soliman, na maging water catchment din. At yung circle namin, what you call Remedios Circle. So these are in line with our general master plan, drainage master plan ng city government of Manila. At natutuwa rin kami na si Chairman Artes at ang MMDA ay gagawa ng mga drainage system base na sa master plan ng Manila. Kasi katulad ng Quezon City, magkatabi kami, si Mayor Joy, may master plan na rin ang Quezon City. Ang Manila meron na. Mag-uusap na lang yung mga tubo. And that will happen through the leadership of MMDA because this is an interlocal government unit na. So, one way or another, it will take time to develop these things. But things are moving on with regard to infusing physical development.
So tama po ba ngayon? Water impounding facility tayo talaga magkita.
That's the one. It will cushion the level of water. It may solve a particular area's flooding, but it will not solve general flooding area. Talagang flood control project is the solution. Let us not confuse ourselves with what we are doing right now. This is a precautionary cushioning the high impact of load of water na what you call downpour, sabi ng mga scientists. Yun, importante yun. Kahit papaano naman, yung mamamayan makatikim ng maibsan yung nararamdaman nilang araw-araw na kinakarap tuwing umuulan. And we know that already, we are a tropical country, 8 months of the year, it's gonna rain, and it's getting worse. That cannot be denied. Hindi nga bagyo, bumaba na, paano kung bagyo pa? So these are the measures that your national government, through MMDA, and local government of Manila working hand in hand. And hopefully, meron din mga initiative yung DPWH. And I hope by this time, they already know how to follow the elementary rule of coordination.
Wala pong coordination sa inyo.
I hope
by this time, moving forward, no, they will know how to follow elementary rule in working hand in hand to all, not only to Manila, to all local government units.
Pinag-utos naman po yan ng ating Pangulo na yung mga proyekto